So today's the day. I am going into town right now to purchase gift certificates from 3 different restaurants to go with the gift certificates that Clara purchased from the brewery. And I have one person picked out so far. I actually have 2, but I've got a little bit of work to do for the second one. So yeah, here I go. Okay, so stop number 1, Renegade's Diner. It's one of my favorite spots to grab breakfast in the summer when we get away for a second, which is very rare, which kind of makes it that much more special. Also has amazing pizza. I mean, everything on the menu is delicious, of course. But it's a cute little diner and it's a really fun spot to stop with the family, for sure. So if you're in Bayfield, make sure you stop at Renegade's. Second stop, Pizza by the Square. Pizza by the Square is also on Highway 21. Actually, all 3 of the restaurants that I'm purchasing gift certificates from today are on Highway 21. Pizza by the Square and Renegades are right in Bayfield, and the Docks is on the other side of the bridge, or what we like to call our side of the bridge. Really, really great spots to stop. But anyway, Pizza by the Square is 100% takeout pizza. They come up with some really creative recipes and have some awesome stuff. So make sure if you're driving through town to get some pizza to go from them. This gift certificate getting business makes you thirsty. So I had to stop and get a chai tea latte, iced, from ShopBike, of course. And the last stop is the Docks. The Docks is just down the road from us, actually. They serve our beer, which is awesome. So does Renegades. And they have some amazing food. So they are actually located just above the marina on the harbor side, so on our side of the marina, and we come here quite often to eat, maybe a little too often. I don't know if there's such a thing, but anyway, this is the last stop. So thank you to all 3 of these restaurants that I'm purchasing gift certificates from. They are pillars to the community and do amazing work. Not just with the restaurants, but they also help out when they can. So great job, guys. And I am just going to slip in and get the gift certificate from the Docks, and then I'm back home to do office work. And the first recipient of the gift certificates is Leanne Kavanaugh. She is a huge part of our community. She is a business owner herself. She is one of the owners of ShopBike Coffee Roasters in Bayfield, my favorite place to get coffee. She is also the acting president of the Chamber of Commerce. She is one of the coordinators for the different food markets or farmers markets in and around the surrounding area. She is a leader in our bee community. Anyway, the list goes on and on and on. I could go on for a very, very long time, and this is why Leanne was chosen for this the first gift certificates. She has been doing her part to make sure that the small businesses are being heard, especially right now in the times or in all of our time of need. In a positive light to make sure that we're all getting through this in a sound manner. So thank you so much, Leanne. You're doing an amazing job, and that is why you are receiving these gift certificates. And I think everyone would agree you definitely deserve them. Winter version 4.0 2021. It never ends. Hopefully this is the last of it. But it's snowing. It's April 21st. And we're spreading manure. cut some strings because of course we've left balers twine in the field, which is stupid. I won't do that again. And I couldn't find my glove after I set it down. So I just spent, I don't know, 15 minutes looking for my glove, and I found it. It's wet. I'm assuming one of these is the culprit. Who took my glove? One of ya was sucking on my glove, and that's gross. Is it you? So it's been probably about, I don't know, 3 or 4 years since I've rode. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little scary up here. There's a moment when I was about to get on that I was like, not a good idea, Nikki. But here we are. We're up, we're moving. It only gets better from here. I have been wanting to do this for a long time. I just had to build up the courage, and here we go. So we're just gonna ride around the field for now. Nice and easy. And I've got my moral support. How am I doing? Great. So you might have noticed that I'm sitting in kind of a weird spot that you've probably never seen before. I'm in my closet. So my daughter moved out of this bedroom when my son moved out of the house, because he's 20 now, so that makes sense. And she took over his room because it was bigger and it has 2 closets. And I have always kind of wanted a space to call my own. And having 4 children, that was very difficult up to this point. So we're now down to 2 kids in our house, and that left an extra bedroom, and I stole it. So we've been renovating and getting this room ready for my walk-in closet / office area in the house, which means that I have a space to go and hide and do my editing for the YouTube videos and my social media and all the wonderful things that I get to do for the business and for this as well. It just kind of gives me a quiet area away from everyone. And it also gives me a really cool spot to put all my stuff, which I'm really enjoying. But the whole reason I'm bringing this up right now is because my loving husband took time out of his busy day to make me a desk for my new space. And it is beautiful. And you know what? It's nice that he made it for me, and I love him to pieces for it. But a lot of the reason he did it was because he wanted to play with his new toy. David has built himself a CNC machine in the shop. Yes, you heard it, a CNC machine in the shop. He's built it out of all sorts of scrap materials that were laying around the farm, and it works like a charm, and it is hilariously spectacular. Thanks again for watching, guys. We really appreciate your support. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. We'll talk to you next week. Cheers.